Hi friends, today I am making a New Year card using an old invitation card. For this we'll take the papers. First fold the paper widthwise half. We'll get this middle point. From this middle point we'll mark now cut these marked lines. Now fold from the cutted the parts, fold from the inner side. Make a crease at the end of the cutting part. Now fold this cut part from the inside. Now write the message on this cut parts. Now fold this paper and stick on another paper. Now paste on the next paper. Don't paste the middle part. Now I'm taking an old invitation. I'm taking out the middle part and sticking the paper in it. I'm designing this card using some stones. Now let this dry. And design the inner part as you like. Now design the inside of the card as you like. So our card is ready. This is the card. So our card is now dried and our inner part also designed. So let me know, have you ever tried like this idea? Did you like this idea? Please comment me in the comment box and subscribe my channel. Happy New Year, friends.